Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling only the necessary tools and removing the strap now. Use a spring bar tool or small screwdriver to depress the bar. You want steady pressure so the bar slides out cleanly. Once freed, lift the strap away and set bars and screws in a container to avoid loss. Make sure to inspect the lug area for damage and wipe grime with alcohol. You are already in motion. Do not delay. Removing the strap is the first repair action that exposes the real problem. Now you assess the strap and decide the repair method. If spring bars are bent or corroded, replace them with the same diameter and length. This restores secure attachment. For torn leather, apply a thin layer of flexible adhesive into the tear, press edges together, and clamp for 2 to 4 hours. That creates a strong bond. If the strap has frayed seams, run a few neat needle stitches or use reinforcing adhesive tape under the strap. These steps combine to restore strength and flexibility. You finish by reattaching the strap and verifying function. Compress the spring bar, align with the lug holes and release. Make sure the bar seats fully and does not protrude. Once attached, wear the watch and tug gently to confirm stability. Walk around for 10 to 20 minutes so the materials settle. If you feel looseness or misalignment, swap to the correct size bar or add a thin spacer. Do not over-tighten screws as that can strip threads. This final testing step prevents failures later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.